Ever stared at your homework or project, 5 tabs open, phone blowing up, and somehow nothing gets done? Yeah, me too. That frustrating fog when your brain just refuses to cooperate, where time stretches and even the smallest task feels impossible. That's what we're fixing today. I'm going to show you how to enter flow state in just 2 minutes before you start work, so you can crush distractions, actually enjoy your tasks, and stop feeling like productivity is some mythical superpower only other people have. First, grab your workspace. I don't care if it's your desk, your bed, or a corner of the library. Just make it yours for the next hour. Clear the clutter. I'm talking literal stuff and mental stuff. Put your phone on airplane mode, or better, in another room. Close every tab that isn't needed. This is step 1. Signal to your brain that it's game time. Weirdly, this tiny action tricks your brain into taking you seriously, almost like a starter pistol.
Now, breathe. Not just any breath. Deep, slow, 4 seconds in, 4 seconds hold, 4 seconds out. Do it 3 times. It sounds dumb, but this oxygenates your brain and floods it with focus chemicals. Ever felt your heart racing while scrolling TikTok, then tried to study? Yeah, your brain can't enter flow when it's in panic mode. This resets it.
Next, pick a micro goal. Not write a 2,000-word essay, but outline 3 main points. Not clean the entire room, but just clear the desk. Micro goals feel ridiculously achievable, and that sense of progress, it's addictive. Hitting them is dopamine gold. One tiny win sets your brain on autopilot to keep going. Here's the kicker most people skip. Prep your environment for sensory triggers. Light, sound, and even smell matter. Open a window, play instrumental or lo-fi music, grab a scented candle or gum. These signals tell your brain, focus mode activated. It's Pavlovian, but for productivity. And yes, it actually works. People laugh until they try it. Now we hit the controversial part. Movement. Just 30 seconds. Stretch your shoulders, roll your neck, shake out your arms. Your body is wired to get your brain ready for action. Sitting still might feel productive, but micro-movement wakes up the neurons you need for deep focus. Think of it as revving an engine before a race. Finally, visualize your session. Close your eyes for 10 seconds and picture yourself nailing this task. Feel the satisfaction, the relief, the sense of control. This tiny mental rehearsal makes your brain treat the task like it's already happening. Weird? Yeah. Works? Absolutely. People who do this consistently report insane concentration spikes. And here's the secret sauce. Start immediately. Don't think. Don't plan. Don't negotiate with your inner procrastinator. Open that document, grab that notebook, or start that coding session. The first 2 minutes are magic. Your brain is primed, your environment is prepped, and you're unstoppable. So tonight, before your next assignment, before your next creative grind, try this 2-minute flow hack. Clear your space, breathe, micro goal, sensory prep, movement, visualize, and launch. I promise, it's a tiny ritual that changes everything. Let's level up together, because focus isn't luck, it's a system. Your flow state, just 2 minutes away.